What's up, fellow Gsx-R fans? This is my 2011 Gsx-R 750. I'm going to talk to you about a little bit of the cat delete, the mid pipe, and an ECU flash. And I'm also going to include the drive-by so you don't have to look at two videos. So it's a couple little things that I put on here. I thought make the bike look pretty cool. So starting with the windshield, it was 80 bucks. It's a zero gravity Mark 1 windshield. Got the Yoshimura knockoff plates. That was about 70 bucks, carbon fiber. Shit's expensive. I got the Crg 2-inch mirrors. I like them a little bit better than the 3-inch. They look in proportion to the bike. And then I got the Strata 7 grips. Match the bike really good. And they also offer end caps, which I thought looked really cool. A lot of times you just get random color end caps, and I thought the Strata 7 was pretty reasonable. The Crg mirrors were about 75 bucks for two. I put them on both sides for traffic. And the grips were 50 bucks just for the grips, and another 35 for these darn little end caps. So that's kind of the front end. If you look down here, I got the T-Rex sliders. Braced on, they're really good, heavy duty, super easy to put on, and pretty legitimate plastic there. Hopefully I'll never need them. Stomp grip pads work really well, especially with Levi's, even though I do a lot of canyon riding. And then I'll go to this side. You've seen a lot of videos on cat deletes, so I basically approached it the same way. Cut it as close as I could to the weld, and then did some grinding myself. I'll zoom in a little bit. It's not going to be the best, but you can see the mid pipe, and the one I got from Motor Mummy hooked up perfect. It really bolted on great. And then, as you can see, I got the M4 GP pipe with the baffle out. So I'll start her up in a second. I'm going to take her for a ride. Trying to think of anything else to include. I'll throw some revs on you, warm it up, and then take it for a ride. So hang tight, please. I'm going to just try to get it all in one video. I don't know if that's a mistake or not, but we'll see. And I'm not claiming to be the best rever there is, but I just wanted to give everybody an idea of what I got going on. So ECU flash was done by DANO'S motor in Hemet. Sent it to him on a Monday, had it back on a Friday. 75 bucks. New fuel maps, ignition maps, throttle bodies, remove those. The F ignition sensor, and he can do a lot more if you give him a call. Great guy, super knowledgeable, old school racer. So I'm gonna start her on up, and I'm gonna take her for a ride and try to get it all in one vid. She might be a little cold, but she'll warm up. Also, with that ECU flash, set my fan motor for the summer to come on 195 degrees, which is nice. Don't get the bike too hot. So the rest I just hope you enjoy. I'll rev it a couple times. I'll get my gear on. There's a road. I'm going to try to make it as short as possible. There's a road right up the way. I'm going to pin it, and hope you guys enjoy it. Love the Suzukis. right, don't want to blow her up. That's with no baffle. So there's a lot of people who say silencers, this and that. I took mine off. The mid pipe really opened it up, and I love the sound of this bike. So let me get my gear on and take it for a little scream. Well, that's my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Peace out.